Alright, girls, concurrent means all lines meet at the same point. Okay? That's the first question we're going to do. In order to prove that lines meet at the same coordinate, we've got to use simultaneous equation to prove this, which we learned last term or last year. Okay? Colony is when you got multiple points on the same line. So not to be confused with these two. Okay? We've done this last lessons ago. To prove that all points are on the same line, we proved that the 2 points have the same gradient. Yep, using the M formula. Concurrent is different. Okay? So that's what we're going to do in question 11a. Please have a look. Girls, it says, find the point M. So it's question 11a, girls. Please have a read. Find the point M of intersection of lines L1, which is this line, and L2, which is this line. So we need to, girls, we need to find out 11a. We need to find out if I have two lines. Girls, that's what they want me to find. What's that point? It's the same exercise as yesterday, exercise 60, because we didn't get to finish yesterday, remember? Alright, so girls, here's the first question you need to ask yourself. Which letter has the same number in front?
Y.
Y. See how that's 1y and that's minus y? So girls, see how this is plus 1 and this is minus 1? What operation should I do to get rid of the y's? Yeah, girls, I want to add it. Because if I do 1, girls listening, if I do 1 plus minus 1, so 1 plus minus 1, what's that?
0.
0. You always want 0. Okay? Because girls, if I take these two away, I won't get 0, I'll get 2. So I'm going to add, is this permanent marker? Why isn't it rubbing off? Alright, girls, if I add it, okay, girls, what's 1 plus 4?
5.
And we established 1, take away 1 is 0. 2 plus 13?
15.
Yep, so girls, what does x equal to? 15 over 5?
3.
Yep, so girls, that's my endpoint. Alright? Now, using this to find the y coordinate, substitute this in either one. I like to prefer to put it in the first one because it's a simple equation. So, if I substitute this, sorry, let me make it clearer. Yeah. So girls, this is 3 right now. So 3 plus y equals to 2. So y is equal to what? If I bring this plus 3 to the other side, what does it become?
Minus 1.
Yeah, so 2 minus 3 is minus 1. So girls, the coordinate of m that they're asking for in this question is that. That's your answer. Yep?
Yes.
Related to that question, girls, have a look at question part B. It says, show that m lies on 2x minus 5y equals to 11. Show that this coordinate m lies on this.
Sub it in.
Yeah, girls, do you remember? If I want to know, okay, here's what it means. Let's say this is the lines. They want you to prove that this m lies on that equation. Okay? So in order to do that, substitute. Girls, substitute those two numbers in the equation. So let's have a look. So we've got 2 times 3. I like to use times as bracket. Minus 5 times minus 1. Girls, what's that?
56 minus.
What's that?
6 plus 5, 7.
Yeah? And see, girls, see how that matches. Girls, see how that matches with the equation number that I had in the original?
Yeah.
So if you have the same number, it lies, or m lies on, no, I'm not done.
What lies?
M lies on the
Great question.
line L3. Okay? So CI. Girls, I got 2x plus y equals to minus 1. And I got x minus 2y equals to minus 18. And they've given you a third one as well. Okay, you want to start with the two equations that has the same number in front of the letter. So I want to work with these two because they both have 1x. Okay? Because all I need to do now is just what operation? Take away or plus? Minus. Because 1 minus 1 is 0, which is what you want. Minus 2 minus 3. What's that?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Yeah, don't make that mistake. I've seen students write just 5. Yep, equals minus 18, looks like a divide sign. Minus 18 minus 15.
Minus 33.
Minus 33. Yep. So y is equal to 33 over 5. Now to find x, what do I need to do with that? Sub it into, I'm going to sub it into that one. If I substitute this in here, girls, let's have a look. I get x plus 3 times 33 over 5 equals to 15. So all I need to do now is just do 15, take away that. I don't know what that is. I'm going to use a calculator. Girls, yep.
So it doesn't matter if you find x or y?
No, it doesn't matter. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Minus 24 over 5 and 33 over 5. This is my coordinate. Am I done? Girls, I've just proven that these two lines meet at that point, but I also got to prove that this coordinate works for that first one as well. I've just ignored that one. I can't. Yeah? So I'm going to now substitute x and y in here and in here. So I'll just do that quickly on top. So, girls, let's write it up here. What am I writing? 2 times. What am I writing? Good. Plus. Good. Girls, if I put that in the calculator, what do I want to get to prove that this coordinate lies on that line? Minus 1. So let's see if that works out. 2 times minus 24 over 5. We got minus 3. So this line does not lie on that one, which means the third, in this case, the first line is not concurrent. Okay, so you just say that as an answer.
Okay.
All right, so I'm glad I did that because it's not always the same. Okay, girls, I was going to go through question 12, but I think I went through that thoroughly yesterday, so I won't go through it. That's the main one I want to go through.
Yeah.